Hello everyone. Today we will study about reduction reaction. Reduction reactions are just opposite of oxidation reaction. I have already explained oxidation reaction. So today we will discuss reduction reactions. The process of reduction can be explained in different ways like addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, gain of electron, our last one decrease in oxidation number. So one by one we will discuss each and every one with the help of different example. So let's start with definition number 1. How to define reduction. Reaction involving addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. Okay, very simple, simplest definition. Reaction involving addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. Like here example you can see calcium react with hydrogen to form calcium hydride. Here hydrogen is added to calcium. So this is which type of reaction? Reduction reaction. Okay, this is the first definition and simplest definition. Then second one, removal of oxygen. Reaction involving removal of oxygen from a compound is known as reduction reaction. Clear? Second definition. Reaction involving removal of oxygen from a compound is also known as reduction reaction. So here I have written one reaction. This is actually redox reaction. So half, which one is reduction, that I will explain here. Just see copper oxide react with hydrogen to form copper and water. So here two reactions in oxidation as well as reduction. Okay, so which one is reduction reaction? Removal of oxygen. Copper oxide will lose oxygen to form copper. It means copper oxide is reduced to copper due to loss of oxygen. Okay, here two half reaction we can write here. So here we will discuss only reduction. So this is clear. Removal of oxygen is known as reduction. So here copper oxide reduced to copper due to loss of oxygen. This is the second definition. Clear this one? Then third one. Third one, in the electronic concept, how to define reduction. This latest definition that is specially you should remember. Okay, according to electronic concept, gain of electron by any atom or ion is known as reduction. Just opposite of oxidation. Oxidation is loss of electron. Here gain of electrons by any atom or ion is known as reduction. Like first example I have written of ion, copper ion. Okay, copper 2 plus, it means it has deficiency of 2 electron. So it will gain 2 electron to form neutral copper. This is which process? Reduction. Okay, copper ion reduced to copper, neutral copper. Second example, chlorine atom I have taken. Chlorine atom, what is the electronic configuration of chlorine? 2, 8, 7, one short of octet. So it will gain 1 electron to form chloride ion with this stable electronic configuration. So here which process is taking place? Reduction. Okay, these two are example of which reaction? Reduction reaction. So according to electronic concept, how to define reduction? Gain of electrons either by ions or by atom is considered as reduction reaction. And fourth one is a little complicated that you will study in detail in senior classes, but try to understand. Decrease in oxidation number is also known as reduction. Oxidation, increase in oxidation number is known as oxidation. Reduction, decrease in oxidation number is known as reduction. So here just oxidation number is actually formal charge over any atom, radicals. Okay, so if you know valency, which is mostly will be equal to the valency also. So I will explain first example number second. You see, okay, and try to understand. Just see here ferric chloride. Ferric chloride, what is the oxidation number of iron third in this case? This is iron third, 3 plus. Valency of iron is 3 plus. So oxidation number of iron in this compound is 3 plus. Okay, when it react with hydrogen sulfide, it will form ferrous chloride. So what is the oxidation number of iron in this compound? 2 plus. Ferric chloride oxidation number, just mostly it is equal to the number of valency. So just here at this state you learn this only, okay, otherwise you will be confused. Just here what is the valency of iron in this compound? 3 plus, ferric chloride, okay, iron third, this one. Here ferrous chloride 2 plus. So here just see decrease in oxidation number from 3 plus, it is iron is converted to 2 plus. So this is also reduction. Another way you can define, just see here ferric, how ferric will convert into ferrous by the gain of electron, okay. Fe3 plus will gain one electron to form Fe2 plus. So that way also you can define, because oxidation number in detail you will study in 11th class, but all these things in 8th, 9th and 10th you have to study, and these are very important. So just try to understand this also. Decrease in oxidation number is also known as reduction, okay. So this here ferric is converted into ferrous, 3 plus oxidation converted into 2 plus. So this is also known as which process? Reduction process, okay. Here also you can see chlorine, okay. Chlorine molecule, no charge over molecule. When it react with hydrogen sulfide, it will form hydrogen chloride, okay, plus sulfur. So here just see what is the charge over chlorine? -1. Here what is the charge over chlorine? 0 molecule, okay, no charge over chlorine. But here this is polar covalent compound, hydrogen plus 1 charge, chlorine, what is the charge here? Chlorine -1. So just see here also oxidation of chlorine is 0, and now here what is the oxidation of chlorine? -1. So here also decrease in oxidation number. So this process is also known as what? Reduction reaction, okay. This is clear. Then one or two example of redox reactions also I will tell you. How to explain redox reaction? In most of the cases you will see that if one substance will lose electron, other substance will gain electron. One is oxidized, then other will be reduced, in most of the cases, not in all the cases, okay. Most of the cases you will see one substance is oxidized, other will be reduced. So how to define redox reaction? A reaction in which both oxidation as well as reduction reaction occur together simultaneously is known as redox reaction, okay. So one or two example only I will explain. So try to understand. One very simple one, it is given in all classes book 8th, 9th and 10th. That is why I have taken this example first. Copper oxide react with hydrogen to form copper and water. So this is example of redox reaction. How to explain? This is example of redox reaction. First just see here two reactions are taking place, oxidation as well as reduction. So which one is reduction? Today only I have explained. Copper oxide will reduce to copper due to loss of oxygen. So this is which reaction? This conversion copper oxide to copper is reduction reaction, whereas at the same time hydrogen will convert into water. This is known as oxidation. Why? Due to addition of oxygen. Oxygen is added to hydrogen to form water. So hydrogen is oxidized to water. So this reaction is known as oxidation. So in this reaction, both reactions are taking place simultaneously, oxidation as well as reduction. That is why this is known as which type of reaction? Redox reaction, okay. Second example also you see, hydrogen sulfide react with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride plus sulfur, okay. First simple way I will try to explain, then with the help of oxidation number also. First you see which one is oxidized. Hydrogen sulfide changes to sulfur. What is happening here? Loss of hydrogen. Loss of hydrogen or removal of hydrogen is known as oxidation. So hydrogen sulfide is oxidized to sulfur. This reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Clear this one? Due to loss of hydrogen, hydrogen sulfide changes to sulfur. Then at the same time chlorine will convert into hydrogen chloride. What changes are taking place here only? hydrogen is added to chlorine. Addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. So chlorine changes to hydrogen chloride due to addition of hydrogen. So this reaction is known as reduction reaction. So here also two reactions are taking place, oxidation as well as reduction. Okay, clear this one? Then this, I think this only try to understand. Okay, then one more I will tell you there, with the help of oxidation number I will explain. Displacement reaction, last example, zinc react with hydrogen chloride to form zinc chloride plus hydrogen. This is also example of which type of reaction? Redox reaction. So which one is oxidized here? Just see here, zinc is a neutral, it converted into iron. How zinc will convert into iron? By the loss of electron. Zinc will lose 2 electron to form zinc ion. So oxidation number of zinc is increased. Here it is 0, here it is plus 2. Okay, zinc will lose 2 electron to form zinc ion. So loss of electron is known as oxidation. So here zinc converted into zinc chloride. This reaction is which reaction? Oxidation reaction. Okay, clear this one? Then second one, which reaction? Hydrogen chloride converted into hydrogen. This reaction is reduction reaction. Here you see in terms of oxidation number. Here what is the oxidation number of hydrogen? Plus 1. Chlorine minus 1, hydrogen plus 1. Here what is the oxidation number of hydrogen? 0. Another way to define, that will be more easy for you to understand I think, because oxidation number you will study in detail later. Another way to define reduction, loss of oxygen is known as, okay, loss of oxygen is known as reduction. Oxygen is electronegative, it means loss of any other electronegative element is also known as reduction. So here hydrogen chloride will lose electronegative chlorine to form hydrogen. So that is how this is also which type of reaction? Reduction reaction. So you can define like this only: removal of chlorine, electronegative ion from hydrogen chloride to form hydrogen. So hydrogen chloride reduced to hydrogen. Okay, so this is also example of which type of reaction? Redox reaction. Zinc oxidize to zinc ion by the loss of electron. Okay, that's it I think. Thank you.